Hello everyone. I'm glad to see you again on our week introduction. And today I'm gonna introduce you week number 9. And here is only one theoretical module to learn. It DOM events. It is a very important topic that help you to finish your practical task, your Christmas shop task, and there are three tasks. There are three practical tasks this week. You continue working on Christmas shop part 3. Yeah, you can find the requirements here. And there are two new practical assignments: Core.js condition and loops, and Core.js arrays. You also can find all requirements here. You're already familiar with this type of tasks. It looks like previous Core.js strings and Core.js numbers. So there is a test DOM events where you can check what you learn in your theoretical module DOM events, and what you should do this week. You have 3 to do: submit task for cross-check Christmas shop part 3, adding functionality, submit Core.js numbers, and submit Core.js strings. Also, you have self-development task, but they are optional: code words and lead code. And it's worth to mention that Christmas and New Year holidays are coming, and we extended deadlines for this practical assignments. The deadline is 5th of January. And you have a chance to spare this time with your families, or if you have some gaps, you can fill it in this time. And that's all what I want to share with you, guys.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Yeah, thank you, Andrei, for sharing this information about this week. Thanks for overview. You can stop sharing. Yeah. So if you have any questions about this week or about holidays, you can ask it now. And maybe you have questions about some previous weeks, something. So it's better to ask it.
Okay, seems we have no any comments or questions. Interesting. But some piece of information from my side. Today I update the points of several guys because of unfair check. I mean cross check, and I hope now it's fair points, and these guys are happy with it. Also, today was the kind of cleaning of our student, and you can see that our amount of student much less than it was yesterday, but I hope it's also okay. And all students that are working on a task and complete it in time are still with us and proceed learning.
And we have some questions. So first of it is why this course is behind of the Russian course. The question is, I think we have different programs for English course and Russian courses. So there is nothing, no dependence, and it's different courses. But there is also a lot of similarity between that courses. So I think that's okay if some topics are the same, some different, and it's okay if some courses are kind of more forwarded compared to English or otherwise. So it's different course. So
Let me add, guys, the Russian course has stage 0 for student who has never learned jazz, but the English one has no such stage. That's why we kind of add this stage 0 to our first stage, and that our student have a bit more time for learning all necessary information. But from week to week, the speed of learning will be increased, and at the end of the course, the Russian and English one will be the same.
yeah, thank you, Anna. And we have another question here. How many students will enter to the interview? I think it's a question about interview of second stage to get entered the second stage. Anna, can you answer this, please?
Yeah, I guess only God knows this answer. I don't know, guys. It only depends on age of year. Because if you will fulfill your task at time and do your best within the interview, you will join the stage 2 and complete this course with a certificate. But who exactly will complete, I don't know. And how many students, I also don't know.
All right, thank you, Anna. So there is a question, can you say the minimum score for Finnish course? Maybe Andrei or Anna.
60% of the maximum available score.
Okay.
The maximum of the student score. So every year it's different.
Yeah, so, but it's important to not skip the deadlines, meet deadlines, and submit your tasks, submit your tests, and it's gonna be okay. All right. No
I'd
more
like
questions.
just to add some more highlights. So if anyone is expelled and just wanted to learn and study more during the holiday seasons, so it's also possible. All our materials are free to use, and you can just do continue the studying by your own, but without cross checks and so.
Thank you, Natalia. So if you have any questions more, you can ask it still.
Let's wait for a moment.
The question about the score, what if we can make 60% of max score? Do we need to get certificate? Do we not get certificate? So, Anna, can you clarify here? So if you not get 60% of score, so it means that you are not proceed with next stages and do not get certificate?
In general, yes. If you got less than 60%, you will not get certificate. But we have cases when students get, let's say, 57%, and we know that the student join our courses a bit late, for instance, starting from week 6, and starting from this week, the student didn't miss any one task. So in this case, we will get certificate for this case. So in general, 60% is a kind of threshold, but in case you are too close to this number, but something was wrong in your case, we will consider you separately from other students.
Thank you, Anna. So in some rare cases, you can get less than 60% of max score, but in general, yeah, that's true that you need 60% to get a certificate.
Yeah, you're right. It's a very rare case, but you should have kind of proof, and you should be definitely like a person in this case. But yep, it's possible.
But anyway, the stage number 3 doesn't require any certificate, and if you feel that you're ready for stage 3, you can start it.
Yeah, for now it's true. But who knows? Who knows? Okay, while we are waiting, let me wish you all you guys a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And may your year be successful with the many fulfilled wishes. I hope that it will be true. Okay.
And we have one more question. It's about next week's. So Becca doesn't see any tests and projects on the next weeks. So is it okay? So it seems, let me check.
Yeah, it's current. In the REST application, we add task or tests or project according to scheduler. We are not going to add everything because in this case, our student tries to hurry up to complete all tasks, and the learning is suffer from the speed.
All right. Thank you. There is a question about statistics from previous courses. How many students could get a job after this course? Maybe Anna, do you have a statistics?
Yes. Luckily, last week I got such statistics. Yeah, we had communication with our student, not only the previous, but the previous 2 or 3 runs, because this year we have some opportunities for our student, and as a result 55 students became junior developers in EPAM, but I have no information related to other companies, only related to EPAM. But 55 students after almost zero comparing the previous years, it's, for me, it's amazing results.
Yeah, it seems that the job market becomes better. So
Yeah.
that's good. Okay, we have more questions. The question is about certificate again. So the first and second week, I couldn't understand what I should do. Because of this, I missed some task. Will I take certificate? So if you missed more than 2 tasks, I think you're not getting certificate. And if you're getting less than 60% of the score, of the maximum score. But seems that first and second week, if you did previous tasks that comes after first and second week, it should be okay.
It was test and CV markdown, I guess. It shouldn't be more than
Mhm. Yeah, so you have all the chances.
40%.
Yeah, so you have all the chances to get certificate. So check your score, check how many tasks you missed. Mhm. I missed Figma projects because of problems. So do I have a chance to go to second level? So I think the question is about Christmas shop. Someone missed this task because of some problems with Figma. And the question is, can that person go to the second stage? I think if you missed 3 parts of Christmas shop, it counts as 3 different tasks. And I think you can continue, but without certificate and
Without mentor as well.
without mentor. Yeah, but still you have access to every resource on the GitHub. And yeah, we had the archive with images from Figma, but it's better to send us what was the problem with Figma. Maybe there is some really important problem, and we can think how it could be fixed in your case. So write, text it in Telegram, Discord, maybe directly to Anna. And another question, if we can start stage 3, will there be any interview? I think the question is about interview to get the stage 3, to get into stage 3. Maybe Anna, you can answer it.
Yeah, stage 3 starts as a current course. All students are available to are allowed to learn on this course, but at the end of the stage 3, you should pass the interview, and all the students who successfully pass this interview and successfully complete the project, if I'm not mistaken, you will work on a huge project within all this stage 3. Only in this case, you will get the certificate and might be added to the list to interview to company.
Thank you.
But as far as I remember, before the stage 3, it was a entry interview, I think, especially with a potential mentor.
Yeah, with mentor, yep. I mean the interview to join the stage 3, not to
Yeah.
mentor, just to join.
And another question, the scoreboard on RSApp is not correctly ordered. Is it a fit or a bug? Is it about...
What do you mean?
Yeah, I think it's about the sorting of students by score, something like this.
But you can change the score, the order by pressing triangles, and you should check whether you press or not. Because without any filters, without any predefined order, I see our student according to the total score. But also you should consider that the score updates once per day. I'm not sure at the very late night or 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. I'm not sure.
Mhm. All right, thank you. I checked now, looks like it's okay. But maybe if you see any bug, you can also text it message to Discord and Telegram.
Yeah, it's better to share with us screenshot because currently I don't see any issues with the representation of our students.
Yeah. All right, seems that no more questions. Maybe someone else has some questions.
Atabek is the main interviewer for us today. Thank you. Seems we answered all questions.
Yeah, so we can wrap it up here. So thank you, everyone. So happy New Year for every student, for everyone. So you have deadlines on 5th of January. So don't worry about deadlines of this week. So you have 2 weeks to submit tests and tasks. So happy New Year, everyone.
And
So
Merry Christmas. See you next year. Bye bye.
uh,
See you.
See you. Happy holidays.
goodbye.